Meet the vampire finch, a strange little bird found only on the Galapagos Islands. Unlike other birds, these finches have developed a shocking way to survive: by drinking the blood of bigger birds. But why do they do this? How did they become nature's smallest vampires? Get ready to dive into the strange and fascinating world of vampire finches. What are vampire finches? Vampire finches are a special type of finch that live only on two small islands in the Galapagos, Wolf Island and Darwin Island. They are a subspecies of Darwin's finches, the famous birds that helped scientist Charles Darwin discover the theory of evolution. At first glance, they look like any other small bird. Size: about 4 to 5 inches, 10 to 13 centimeters. Long color: brownish black with streaks. Beak: